Hi students, I just finished grading your Module 2 Annotated Bibliographies, and I've noticed that we have a lot of confusion surrounding this assignment, so I want to clear that up now. I did cover this already in the live lecture, so I'm not sure where the confusion is coming from, but here is how we're going to clear it up. We're going to start by looking at the assignment directions. So these directions lay out exactly what you should be doing for an annotated bibliography. So for each source that you are selecting, you need to write a paragraph. 2 to 4 sentences of that paragraph is a summary. You're summarizing the main idea. The next 1 or 2 sentences assesses and evaluates your source. And the last 1 or 2 sentences is reflecting on the source. And that's it. So let me show you what this looks like in an example. Alright, we're starting off with the title page. But this is what, like, the real meat and potatoes right here. You're going to list your source in APA format. Make sure you know how to do that. Citation is important. Underneath your citation, this is the paragraph that you are writing. So let's break this down. The first sentence, right there, is the summary sentence that summarizes what the article is about. The next sentence, I'll highlight that one, is assessing and evaluating the source. And the last sentence is reflecting on the source. And in this case, we're talking about how this would impact your patient. And that is it. This is not a paper, it's not an essay. You don't have to write anything more than this. You have one source, one paragraph. Then, on the same page, you write your second source. So a different article or a different book. Underneath it, you do the same thing. You do a sentence that summarizes. Sorry, I'm trying to highlight at the same time here. So you do a sentence that summarizes. You do 1 or 2 that is evaluating the source. And you finish it up with the last part, the reflection on that source. Okay? And the third one, exact same. Cite your source in APA format. Follow it up with a paragraph. That's it. So I just want to be really, really clear because I've had some really interesting and weird submissions so far. I am giving you a chance to redo your Module 2 work if you did not get 40 out of 40. But I want to be really clear going forward, there will be no second chances. So in Module 3, Module 4, and your final project, you won't get that second submission chance. So use this information to inform how you do your next assignments. There's just no feasible way for me to grade multiple submissions from as many students as there were this week, again. Alright, if you have questions, let me know, but I hope this clears it up and I hope this makes it a little bit easier to understand exactly what an annotated bibliography is. Alright, thanks.